What is your good name?
My name is Shreedhar.
How old you are?
I'm 57
So you are from which place?
from Bangaluru, Banashankari.
What is your profession?
I'm a retired person.
Retired from where?
Retired from IT.
IT, very good. In which company you used to work?
I worked in Wipro, HP, IBM.
Wonderful. You are technocrat basically.
Yes.
Excellent. So now you tell me you had the diabetes, number one. Secondly, you used to take insulin. So after taking Miracle Drinks treatment protocol, how actually the physiological parameters has got changed and how you have tapered down. So you tell me your experience before taking our treatment protocol.
I was taking insulin 18 units per day as well as allopathy medicine, Medsmal VX 1000 and Telestar 10 mg every day before and after. Before breakfast and before dinner.
Insulin, how many units is
18 units per day.
Okay.
After food in the night.
Okay.
It was continuing for almost 1.5 years. And after that, I happened to meet Mr. Sir, Miracle Drinks. So I came here and I was given advice to take a few liver-related, cardiac-related, and sugar-related, and heart-related Ayurveda.
That is the
syrups.
combinations. The
Syrups.
combinations.
Yes, combinations.
There is a renal care, liver care, and sugar care morning and evening, and afternoon is cardiovascular care.
Yes, correct. So my sugar reading was more than 250 with allopathic medicine.
When it was?
It was some 1.5 years it was there.
Okay.
So I am unable to control through allopathic medicine my diabetic. It was phenomenally very high and I scared whether I will go on taking more and more insulin at a later point of time. So fortunately I found Miracle Drinks was the one which can cure my disease. That's what I came here. So I came and met personally all the doctors and they had advised me to go for these kind of syrups which I had taken religiously. First 15 days I don't have any symptom of recovery. After 15th day I found out that my diabetic level was, fasting sugar was coming down. Slowly every 30 counts it was coming down. So at one point of time it came up to 100. I started reducing 3 units of insulin.
Okay.
Again, after 2 days later again when I checked it came down to again 90. Again I reduced the insulin to 12. Like that 9, 6. And when it came to 6, my diabetes was 70. I thought it is right time to stop it. So I stopped the insulin and the next day I checked it, it was 110 fasting sugar. And I was out of the insulin within 15 days.
That is the power of our body.
Yes.
We have to nourish it effectively.
Yes,
and now you tell me, in physically what changes you have seen after this Miracle Drinks treatment protocol, before and after?
Before I was as energetic as anybody. Now also I am feeling the same. There is no drastic change, but the insulin level has come down drastically. That is the plus point.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
ಹೃದ್ರೋಗ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ವೆರಿಕೋಸ್ ವೇನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಗೈನ್ಯಾಕ್, ಲಿವರ್, ಕಿಡ್ನಿ, ಮೆದುಳು ಮುಂತಾದ 170ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಂಭೀರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಈಗಿದೆ ನವ್ಯ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಪರಿಹಾರ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕರೆ ನೀಡಿ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಗೇನ್.